Whenever you go to VOP.HandsOnNetwork.org, you always have two choices. You can log into your account, which you'll do once you have one, but the first time you get here, you're going to click on Apply to become a Hands-On Network Volunteer Verification Partner. Click on that, and if you are a partner with one of the technologies that is working with HandsOn Network to import opportunities directly into the VOP, which includes Hands-On Tech and 1-800-VOLUNTEER and Volunteer Solutions shortly, we'll already know about you. So you'll pick your state, what city you're in, and then select your organization from the list. And if you find your name there, and you will, you'll say my organization is Troutco and continue. If you're not being syndicated and you're just arriving here for the first time and you don't already have a partnership with one of our technology partners, you're just going to say my organization is not listed. You won't see your name there. Continue. And now you're going to sign up for the first time. You're going to read the terms of the program and just read through all the information on this screen and then click on I agree. Once you've done that, now you're going to give us information about your organization. If we've syndicated this information from one of our existing technologies, some of this will be filled in for you and you can edit it or change it as appropriate for this use. But if you're a first-time organization listing things with us, you'll be filling in all these fields. To speed up this demo, I've filled in some fields for us already. So this organization is called Video for Kids, and its name, as it's filed with the IRS, because we will be verifying that they are a nonprofit organization, is actually Video for Kids Inc. So you can put that in there. But in search, they'll just be listed as Video for Kids. You'll put in your address, the city, state, zip. Answer the question, are you tax exempt under 501c3, yes or no? And if you are, put in your tax ID EIN. I don't know if that's the right number of numbers. I made up that number at random. And then tell us a brief mission statement about who you are and what you do with for the community and with volunteers. And then a certain amount of contact information. If you have a website, put in your website URL, put the HTTP in ahead of it. A primary email, so that if volunteers are reaching out to you in general, who would that email go to? In this case, info@videoforkids.org, and I'm asked to confirm that. You can, if you're in another country, pick a different language that you want email sent to you in. We'll stick with English. A primary phone contact for volunteer inquiries, and then how do you want volunteers to contact you? If they're not responding to a particular opportunity, but just find your organization in the organization search, would you rather they just go to your website to find volunteer opportunities that you'll verify for the program? Do you want them to phone you so you can discuss it and make sure you've got a good opportunity for them? Or do you want them to send an email? In this case, I'm going to go with phone because I'd like to talk to the folks. If it was email, it would go to this primary email. There's a space to put a referral code if you've received one. If you have a parent organization, they may have given you a referral code. Put that in here, and it will associate your organization with that parent organization or whoever referred you to the VOP. If you don't have one, leave it blank. And then finally, this is going to be you, the organizational point of contact, the person who is the main contact for your organization. In this case, it's me. I'm putting in my email address, which may be the same as the general one for volunteers, or it might be a different email address. But this will be my user account in the VOP and my phone number. And you're going to click on I agree to submit this information, and it's a good idea to add the email address do not reply at it'll actually be vop.handsonnetwork.org. We're on the staging site right now, to your email program, so that when you click on that and it sends you an email, it won't wind up in your junk or email folder. When you click on that, you'll get a thank you. Your organization account has been created, and you'll be sent an email with a link that you must use to validate your account. So I'm just going to jump over to my email program here for a second. And that's not the right email. That's from another test. Let me do a get mail here very quickly. Okay. So I did get an email from Do Not Reply at staging, and it says your account has been created. Before your account can be used, you must activate it. And to activate on the account, we're going to click on this link. I click on this link. It brings me back to the VOP where I have to set a password which I'll use to log into my account. You can use anything for your password. Click on Set Password. And once I've set my password, I get information that my organization has not yet been approved. So what will happen next is we will look at your application, and in a short while you'll hear back from us that your organization has been approved, and once your organization has been approved, you'll be able to go back to the VOP home and actually log into your account by clicking on Log into your account. So that's all you need to do to get started with registering yourself for using the VOP.